1 bottle of wine, 4 helpings of rice and peas, 2 lobster, 1
Fish fillet?
Fish fillet, right. 1 chef salad, and cake and ice cream for dessert.
Just sure this is the order. The two of them can't eat so much.
Only order word for word. Him did all order steak and change your mind. And order it again.
You just make sure. Steak and lobster. This man can't eat steak and lobster.
You know, sir, so some of them local, let's stay, man. Them order anything will look good on the menu.
Real butter. Then, you know, here, what him do yesterday, man, you know?
What?
Real butter, you know. He eat him breakfast and left back some. Have a nerve to turn around, look for me and say, that are the tip.
What a face. But me not look for nothing for none of them, man.
No, man, me left him because you know what dream yesterday? Go into the sauna. Set no high enough. So he himself go turn you up high. Scald off the whole and back. Then, not done yet. He might walk around with a big gash in that big hand forehead. Said him a play doubles in that tennis. And the girl them come with, lick him straight them fire.
Steady.
Yeah. Long distance? From who? Yeah. Put her on. Listen. Is how you come back already? Why you cut your vacation? No. It's me alone down here. It's a lie you hear. It says me alone down here. You mad? You can't come down here. No. Hold on. Listen. Somebody at the door to me and say, I can't talk to you now. Call me back. Okay? All right.
It's only did I talk on the phone.
Oh, it's wrong room. Somebody call some direction. You don't know which part of the place in Jamaica is. Lord.
Warm to you.
The head. Look here now. Fear. I think we better leave this place here. Let we leave.
Oliver, man, you better come with that, man. Just as I was about to enjoy myself now.
Me can't stay. Me have to go have my doctor. The head and the hand. Boy, come. Fear. Come and me pack up them things here. Me not stay here. Me have to go doctor. Come take your bag. Take your... I said get up.
How no again? 41?
Yeah, man.
Alright, knock pan you know.
How me fi knock pan this? Is me 2 and them full up. You know, sorry. Then knock louder now.
Why you never come knock pan it? You think me want him report me again and make me lose the little work?
Sure, man. Come, hold this.
Take your time you know.
Yes, man. You have it?
Yeah, move your hand.
Alright.
What you do, man? What you do?
Listen, me move you a long time, man.
Alright, go on.
Alright, watch me.
Cause you look like you want to lose the work. Take your time, knock, you know.
Yeah, man.
Look, what you do now, man?
Right, just cool now, man. Hello?
What this strange? All them out of the food and gone. Call the front desk and find out what I'm here, brother.
Nah. Hello? Yeah, front desk. Yeah, this is waiter from room service. Calling from room 41. Yeah, about the guest. Oh, I see. Okay.
What them say?
The man downstairs, I check out.
A check out?
Hey.
Them make me carry all this food come here. Ah, boy. So what we gonna do with all this food?
Might as well take it back down to the kitchen, I suppose.
Hey, what up? From this man come here, pure complimentary baguette, you know. All this food are free.
Boy. Drop a chair there, boy.
You start to the wine, boy.
Yes, man.
I you know me never want to serve him.
A true man. Clean.
And that's my bad luck, you know. Because some more weight and I did it.
All right.
Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Come on, cheer.
See ya.
Oh, Mr. Adams, are you checking out already, sir? I hope you enjoyed your stay, sir.
You must be blind. You come, take your key.
But why are you leaving already, sir?
Ask him again. Him could never still let us enjoy room service.
Enjoy room service and dead from the Curtis is extended to it. Me drop off of the horse. Me nearly drown in the executive pool. And the swan a burn up the whole of me back. Lord, come lady. Come here. Take the key and let me come out of this place here.
Did you enjoy your stay, ma'am?
Enjoy, ma'am. With this agony.
Here, Killian, don't get me bringing up on me dying state.
Okay. Here's your bill for your incidentals, sir.
What? No. This is not mine.
Oh, yes, it is, sir. Our telephone system is completely computerized, and it copies automatically to your bill. Now, these calls were made directly from room 41. There were 2 calls, one to Kingston and another to Port
Kingston?
Antonio.
Then that's
And,
what you call Kingston for.
And there were 2 collect calls, sir. On both occasions, you spoke to a Marie,
When you
Marie.
find time to call Marie.
Lord, fear. I know me call her. I she call me. Listen now, man. Me not paying for no call when me not make you know. I beg you call the manager for me. Call the fair skin man make him come. I'm on the
there
case.
really is no reason to get the manager involved in this, sir. All you need to do is settle your bill.
Bill? What bill? Me say me no make no call, lady. Me say me not pay for no call. Oh, watch me out in that thing. Watch me out. Me not pay for no call. Oh. Aye. Don't you say married it call collect? Why you never collect from her?
What's the telephone for? Did someone call me?
Yes? Oh, yes. Mr. Adams? Yes, I can take a message for him. Oh, yes, certainly. Mr. Adams, Marie called. She says she has arrived. And would you pick her up at the airport?
Oh, you never smoke without fire.
Ed.
And that she call you and tell us that she a go do.
Madam, would you lower your voice, please?
That is why you broke him and Philly just if you got 2 hours. You're not pain. You don't feel pain yet, you know. You don't feel pain yet.
Marie, man.
Don't come call me, Marie. You see me look like Marie to you.
Bill, me I beg you try calm her
Don't
down.
put it in that-
Take your money.
We don't need
Take
a
your
marriage,
money.
so
Take
don't
your
call
money.
me
Keep the
married.
change.
Married to
Where the
you.
buckler? Buckler. Come, get a taxi for me now.
Yes, get the taxi. Get the taxi.
Yeah, come,
Get married, Harry.